So this collaboration is between Intel and Amber. And Amber is a research centre led by Trinity.
So the great thing about this collaboration is that it enables a framework for multiple projects to take place over a 5-year period involving Trinity, UCC, DCU and Intern Ireland.
A partner like Amber is really important for us for those early materials investigations, the fundamental science part, to see whether or not a material would or would not work in our very complex manufacturing flow. So we would be looking right across the world for really interesting principal investigators who are working on things that are really novel and very complex.
The overall impact to the industry is it helps them to de-risk some of their early stage research activity that may be quite costly to do in-house but higher risk, to use an open innovation model to collaborate with the university in moving that forward.
Amber 1 is a 5-year program, and we're moving that now into a 6-year program with Intel for Amber 2, and we look forward to really good engagements within Amber 2.
The staff and the professional staff working in the TTO are the people who are really making that research happen and working on at the interface between the university and the company, which is enabling all of this. And I think the KTI award bring that into sharp focus and showcase that.